చేసిన డ్రై అండ్ వెట్ కలిసిపోతుంది. బట్ until unless you segregate, it won't get recycled. సో కానీ ఆ చిన్నవి మిస్ అయిపోతాయి కదా. See, for instance, you can see lace packet unko, if you just cut like this and open, okay. If you remove this part, where does this part goes? Right? You should be very cautious. These small fragments భూమిలోకి వెళ్తే landfill ఒకటి. We are పెద్ద కవర్ లో పెడితే గానీ, though we say municipality or the GHMC will take, they never take it. ఒకవేళ తీసుకెళ్ళినా కూడా segregate చేసుకున్నా కూడా small fragments, they never take it out. Okay, so we should always make sure that these small fragments should be put in a bigger cover. చిన్న వస్తువులు మనకి పోతాయి కదా, చిన్న పెన్సిల్, చిన్న రబ్బర్ పోతుంది కదా, సో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, బాక్స్ లో పెడతాం, రైట్? బికాస్ వీ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు లూజ్ దెమ్. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం గ్లాస్ కింద ఏదైనా పడింది అనుకో, కేర్ఫుల్ గా తీసి బయట పడేస్తాం, ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి హర్టింగ్ us. భూమికి కూడా ఇలాగే హర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో we should always remember whenever anyone gives any chocolate, any wrapper, anything, plastic thing, when you are cutting the packet itself, we should be cautious. This small piece should not be left out. Okay, so and whenever if it is out, you have to put it in another cover, bigger cover, so that when you dispose it, at least the municipality will recycle it.
Greetings everyone. We often discuss saving our earth and water bodies from plastic pollution, yet many of us struggle to make a real impact. This challenge may be stem from limited recycling options, insufficient regulations, or market flooded with single-use plastic. However, each one of us can make a meaningful change when using plastic packaged products. Let's handle them with extra care, especially when we open and dispose of them. Packaging materials and the small fragments of plastic can escape and end up in landfills where they remain unrecycled. Example, you can look at the milk packet. If you cut like this, this remains with it. So there's no point in no small fragment missing out. And then any sachets, even same case with these plastics. So even the chocolates and wafers, so if you cut it properly, it will not miss out. So you have to be a little conscious while opening itself, and then think of how it can be disposed. And make sure while cutting packs, small fragments are not separated. I would say, treat those small pieces as glass particles. We handle very carefully, right? If they miss them out, they are going to harm us, right? So these small fragments as well, plastics as well, going to harm earth, pollute water bodies. So let's store all small fragments into one big cover and hand over to recyclers or waste collectors. I know all of you want to say, though we segregate, waste collectors take it as a mixed, right? You're missing the logic here. They are taking mixed, but they are segregating, and dry, they are making money from dry waste. So remember, they will be least bothered to segregate small particles. They won't search or remove it and segregate and recycle it. So do remember that. So let's be conscious and do our bit from our homes. Though majority of us know, we lack in implementation. So let's discuss, spread a word and start implementing that. And we really want to show, when Maggi packets, like, when you cut like this, it remains. Otherwise, this small particle, where it's going, you should always question yourself, these are sizes, right? This size one, when you remove it, where are you throwing it? So if you throw it, it just landfill. So you have to store it in a big cover. So remember, I want to show you really, these rubber bands. And of course, when you look at this plastic piece is there. But when you remove it, you'll just remove it, just throw it like this. Are we going to keep it somewhere? So we should be literally conscious. And how about this? So we'll be, tape, we'll be putting like hell, so much. And, while removing also, we'll just throwing it. But have you ever bothered? How to dispose them? So please do. There's many things, you might have come across. Maybe you are already doing it. So please do comment, and let's all together can make the difference. Thank you.